Hello, I'm Cole Pendergraft. I'm a research software engineer here at the engineering college. A lot of the work I do revolves around the production of like VR platforms for more immersive learning. In particular, right now we're doing a lot of work on workforce development in the area of like microelectronics. So we're working on a VR platform that will help students and trainees understand the manufacturing process for semiconductors a little bit better and metrology for those semiconductors.
Hey, yeah, I'm Taylor. I also work with Cole. I come in from a biomedical engineering background. I just have always been very interested in taking scientific concepts and moving in engineering concepts and moving those into mixed reality, anything from atomic simulations to CAD designs. So together we're trying to create some interesting coursework, originally prototyping with circuit labs and now moving that into semiconductor fabrication. So those who don't have direct access to equipment can get to experience it more directly.